Oh, hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. This is Sergeant Gunny, and yeah, I'm going to do a video on how to fix the blurry login or lock screen in Windows 10. When Windows 10 came out with update version 18.03, they introduced an acrylic blur into the lock screen, and a lot of people didn't mind it or notice it. But basically what happens is, I'm going to use my desktop as an example here. You're at your clear login screen picture, and then you hit the button to log in, and then all of a sudden your lock screen looks like that. And then you have to sign in, and then everything will work. This is just an example because I can't record the actual login screen from my desktop, because that feature is not available on Windows 10 without using an external device. So here's what you're going to do. So go ahead and get into Windows 10, and to do this without eliminating all the transparency effects, you're going to need to use the group policy editor. So you go to the start button and click it once, and you start typing policy, P-O-L. By the time you hit policy, edit group policy should pop up. So you go ahead and click that to open it, and you can expand a little bit better so you can see it here. And under computer configuration, you're going to go ahead and go to the administrative templates, and then you're going to go down to system, and then you're going to go to log on, and let's just go max on this. And in this list of settings, you're going to go down to show clear log on background, and you want to set that to enable. You go ahead and say OK, which will apply the setting, and then you can close your group policy. Now, if I sign out and then log back in, my lock screen picture will now be nice and crystal clear. Alright, that's all you need to do to fix that. Hope that helped you, and please leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for stopping by. You have a great one. Later.